For Tier 1s and OEMs, the road to autonomy is paved with high stakes. Despite millions of miles of testing, unexpected accidents continue to make headlines worldwide. These aren't just statistics, they are the moments that reveal the critical gaps in our current automotive testing and ADAS validation strategies. Even as ADAS systems significantly reduce everyday collisions, customer safety concerns remain at the forefront of the industry. With legislative requirements and technology evolving at a lightning pace, the pressure is on to implement more rigorous, high-fidelity quality assurance methods. Testing and validation of ADAS AD stacks face significant technical, operational, and safety challenges that directly affect reliability and scalability in real-world environments. This safety risk quadrants approach is often used by regulatory bodies and industry consortia to guide the safety evaluation and deployment strategy of ADAS systems. The true risk lies in the unknown and unsafe. By utilizing real-world crash data, we systematically reduce the unknown-unsafe territory. We don't just find flaws, we transform unknowns into validated, manageable scenarios. Our AI-driven scenario reconstruction technology utilizes sources like NHTSA accident database to mine this essential accident data. And then our AI agent will reconstruct all the plausible scenarios that could have led to a particular accident. Our AI automatically reconstructs what likely happened. It leverages learning algorithms to identify root causes and plausible accident scenarios. This significantly speeds up the process, generating simulation and scenario code of accident flows without manual mapping. You get insights much faster than waiting for manual reports. Building on that foundation, we pushed further and crafted test scenarios from those rare, edge-of-reality corner cases with vanishingly low odds. The payoff? A bulletproof verification plan. You can access an interactive dashboard on our platform, letting you explore these reconstructed accident scenarios in real time. You can also view heat maps of risk zones and recurring patterns across accidents. An insight that gives OEMs and Tier 1s the confidence to rise above the risks. By using our accident scenario reconstruction, you ensure your systems are verified against the real risks of the road, transforming unknown safety hazards into known, tested, and secure conditions. Ready to take the next step in autonomous driving? Contact us today to talk to our experts and schedule a live demo.